This model kit review is of the British Universal Carrier, the Mk.II from the European campaign. This looks like this is probably from World War II, and it's a 1/35th scale model by Tamiya. And here we've got some pictures here of the finished model, and some of the pictures here, as well as some of the weapons that come with. So let's have a look inside. Let's see what we've got. So first of all, we've got these tracks, and looks like they're going to go together there, like that, and then they're going to need to be fused together. Typically do that with a really hot screwdriver. We've got two of those. They're soft flexible rubber. And let's have a look here. So we've got a couple of things here to look at. One is they've got a piece of string here, which is I guess supposed to be wrapped up and coiled up in the front, probably for a hoist or something like that. So over here we've got some parts of the main body of the armored vehicle, including some accessories here, some more accessories here, like some things that are tied down, belted down. Got a reasonable level of detail here in the molding. You can see here. This is probably an older mold. As you can see, some edges aren't quite as clean as they normally are for Tamiya. You've got some little edges on the side there that need to be sanded, but overall not bad. We've got some, these looks like part of the ropes, the hooks for the rope. Over here we've got our weapons. Here are our weapons here, reasonably well molded. Put some ammo boxes there, some more weapons there, and a little satchel, and there's a water bottle there. Looks like a radio, a little grenade maybe there. All very nicely molded and good level of detail. Here we've got our here we've got two figures. So there's the torso, legs, arms, and same with this guy over here. And then their helmets over there. And the other set of screws here. Looks like we've got at least two other figures there. So here are the other figures. You can see there's three figures here. There's the one figure there, another one over there, and another one over there, with legs, different positions, and arms, and then some more weapons here. All very nicely molded, good level of detail. Over here we've got the side of the armored vehicle. We've got our wheels, and there's suspension parts there. You can see it looks like springs, and there are our axles, some more ammo boxes, and over here we've got the looks like probably the bottom of the armored vehicle, steering wheel, and some gauges, lots of other parts to make up the sides and front and back. Here we've got a little shovel that's going to sit on the side. So all in all, this is actually very nicely molded and good level of detail. We've got some decals here, I guess different units depending on which one you're going to build it for. Now over here we've got some details here about the armored vehicle. So we start off with the chassis. We're going to add all these components there. I'm going to do, this is a bulkhead, and that's going to go right down the middle section, so that thing gets mounted. We've got two seats there in the front with the sides of the hole, and then there's our the bulkhead with the engine cover going onto the middle there. And we're going to build our suspension with the wheels. There's the rear axle, and some more wheels going on there. And then we put our tracks on. Looks like we've got some exhausts there and some other little pieces, bits and pieces going on. There we go. It shows you actually how to put the two tracks together. So here we're doing the rear panel with the tools, and then we've got the tow hook that goes over top of that, and then got all the accessories going on, and radio, some seats, and then here's the armor for the front, including the spare wheel and steering column and so on. And over here, putting our figures on, as well as all our weapons. Here are the rest of the weapons. We've got lots of weapons going on there, so that looks quite nice. And then that's where our string goes on there. And then we've got some additional weapons as well as ammo boxes going on. And here are our 5 figures, as well as the paint guide. Now here is the, I guess those are the decals to use, depending on which division you're going to make, and the paint and decal guide. So all in all, it's a very detailed model, lots of little parts, and it's very well molded, so that's a great build, typical Tamiya quality.